Hello everyone. Now we will do maths. In the last period, we had done about different views. If we see from the side, from the top, from the front and from the back, each and every view will be differ. So we had talked about different views in the last period. You can refer that video again if you have any doubt. You can see that video again. Now we will see shapes that fit. That is on page number 156. Now here two designs are given. The designs below called fulkaris are from traditional clothes worn in Punjab during festivals. ये जो डिजाइन आप लोग देख रहे हैं उसे बोलते हैं फुलकारी. और ये फुलकारी तरह की जो ये पैटर्न है, जो डिजाइन है, वो पंजाब में जब भी कोई फेस्टिवल होता है तो उसमें जो ट्रेडिशनल कपड़े पहनते हैं उसमें इस तरह की पैटर्न होती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड फुलकारीज. यू कैन सी इन these and these both shapes that it is made of shape that fit into each other. तो ये जो शेप है वो दोनों मतलब दो शेप है, उसमें दोनों एक साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, बीच में कोई भी जगह नहीं है. तो दैट इज विदाउट अ गैप एंड विदाउट ओवरलैपिंग. मतलब दो शेप के बीच में जगह भी नहीं है और ना ही एक शेप दूसरे शेप के ऊपर ड्रॉ किया है. सो दिस इज द पैटर्न दैट इज कॉल्ड फुलकारी. यू कैन सी दिस वन एंड दिस वन इज ऑल्सो द सेम. Here you can see like diamond, just like a kite also, and here also, but they are not overlapping or not even a gap between two patterns. So that is called fulkaris. Now here another figures are there. Look at these other examples of shapes that fit into each other. We can also call them tilings. See, here you can see whenever some people are building their houses, see the pattern of that bricks, it is like this. So this is also the pattern and you can see there is no gap between and not overlapping. Same here, here it is also, you can see it is rectangle, this is hexagon. So that also you can see no overlapping and no even space between. Same here, that is it is looks like a tiles, that is sometimes we can see at homes also with different color and different shapes also. So these three shapes are also we can say tilings. This type of pattern that we had seen, that is used mostly in clothes, and here these are the tilings. Mostly it is used in making houses. Now here are some shapes and match the shape to the tiling design to make it. अब हमें यहाँ पे शेप बनाने हैं कि वो कलेक्ट मतलब वो इकट्ठा करके हम किस तरह से पैटर्न बना सकते हैं वो आपको करना है. सो दैट यू कैन डू बाय योरसेल्फ. इट इज very easy and you can do by your imagination. So you just try it by yourself. Okay, it's so easy, and afterwards we will see the answer for these patterns. It's very easy, you can try by yourself with your imagination. And now we will go to the next page. Color and complete the tiling patterns. See here you can see the pattern, how the patterns are going on. Here is first one, then two like this, below second one, next box is started, and after this below second one, next is started. Like this, here it is also the same, and here also you can see. So you have to complete the pattern however it is given here. So you just complete it. In these two pattern you can do it. It is very easy. Okay, and this one is also very simple. You can see that four triangles are colored, and middle of the triangle 1 2 3 4, these are not colored. Again here this triangle we will not color, and we will color here. It is like that. So you can fill the colors in these patterns. Now use the squared grill to make a pattern of your own. अब यहाँ पे आपको आपकी इमेजिनेशन के ऊपर आपको पैटर्न, जैसी भी पैटर्न बनानी है वो आपको बनाना है, और वो आप बना सकते हो। आपकी जैसी इच्छा है, आपको जो पसंद हो। तो ये जो स्क्वायर दिया है वो स्क्वायर के अंदर, मतलब यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक जो ये स्क्वायर है, वो स्क्वायर के अंदर आपको जैसी भी पैटर्न अच्छी लगे वैसी बना सकते हैं। जैसे कि दिवाली में अगर हम रंगोली करते हैं तो रंगोली के लिए कैसी पैटर्न बना सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ भी सोच के आपको जो भी आपके दिमाग में आता है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको ये पैटर्न बनानी है। ठीक है, and then this is the project that also you can do. Cut out about 25 triangles using two different colors, arrange and glue onto chart paper to make a tiling design. So that also you can do if you want to do, कि कोई भी पेपर के 25 ट्रायंगल्स आपको कट करने हैं। वो दो अलग अलग कलर के पेपर लेके आपको 25 ट्रायंगल्स कट करना है, और फिर उसको आपको जो पसंद हो वैसी पैटर्न बना के आपको एक पेपर, चार्ट पेपर के ऊपर लगाना है। सो यू कैन मेक अ टाइलिंग डिजाइन। सो दिस वाज द chapter about shape, space and pattern. And now on the next page, oh, this is the chapter checkup. So you know that what we are doing in the chapter checkup. These you can do by yourself, and you have to do by yourself. See, look at the cuboid, mark the corners with a red dot, draw over the edges with green, and color the faces blue. You know that what are corners, what are edges, and what are the faces. That you have to color according to given. Now tick the figures that are symmetrical. Which figures are symmetrical, that you have to tick. Either it is symmetrical or not. That also you know. Now circle the letters that are symmetrical. Draw the lines of symmetry. So here are the letters of alphabets A to Z, and you have to circle on that alphabet which is symmetrical. Okay, and tick the shapes that tile. Which shape is tiling, that you have to tick on it. Now and here observe the pattern and draw the next one. So here you have to draw the next pattern. See, here you can see 1 2 3 4 circles. Here you can see 1 2 and 3 circles. Here are 2 circles. Then what will be the last one? Yes, you have to draw one circle. Like this, here is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. So what will be the next one? Yes, you have to draw 4 square. So this is the chapter about shapes, space and pattern. A small chapter, and I hope all of you understood, and you can revise previous videos for this chapter if you have any doubt. And it is very easy, and you will enjoy in this chapter also. And on the next page, this work that you like the most, draw the color half of this Christmas picture to make symmetrical pictures, then color your picture. Now here half of the picture that is drawn this side, and this right hand side dotted lines are there. So in that you have to color, you first of all you have to draw the lines. Half of the picture is drawn and half of the picture you will draw with pencil on the dotted line, and afterward you will color the picture. And I know all of you would like to color the picture and you would like to draw the picture that you all are enjoying the most. So you complete this picture by yourself. Whatever the color you like, you know which color will be there in this Christmas tree. So according to your imagination, you can fill colors in this tree. And I hope all of you understood in this chapter. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me and complete this chapter within day or two. एक या दो दिन में आप ये इतना complete कर लोगे. So I hope all of you understood about this. Thank you and have a nice day.